How to fix unsecured network on iPhone after iOS update. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the edit button on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and remove all the cache and the Wi-Fi networks you think is unsecured. Simply tap on the minus icon you see there and then tap on delete, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the remove option. Next, in Wi-Fi settings itself, tap on the info button or the eye icon and further enable private Wi-Fi access. If it is disabled, then you can also try to forget the network and rejoin the network again. So, tap on the forget this network option and then tap on forget again in the pop-up and rejoin the network again, and lastly, reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in settings itself, tap on general and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and this is how you can fix unsecured network on iPhone after iOS update. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.